Today we're gonna be doing an interesting experiment. I want to say experiment, but it's to see whether or not AI can actually code. For this, I've pulled out Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, which is basically ChatGPT, but it's free, so we don't have to spend any money in a video. So let's just, oh my gosh. So we're gonna start out with something impossible. What I have pulled up right now is p5.js, which is a little bit of a coding thing. It's with JavaScript and it has basic coding stuff. So let's just give it the most outlandish thing ever. Make P5JS code. Alright, spacebar to shoot, blah blah blah. Let's copy this and put this inside of the p5.js editor. Alright, boom. Okay, so what we have here is some pretty simple, code, which is, I think it's going to do what it says. So it's going to say left dot right, and if you press space bar, it's going to give you code. So let's see how this looks real quick. Okay, you can move left and right, at least it says that. Okay, you can move left and right, which is actually pretty cool. But now when you shoot, it looks, that's not bad at all. But the only thing is that it just keeps shooting like that, and doesn't shoot like that. But that's a little impressive, but that's not really what we're looking for, if I'm being completely honest. I feel like this would shine more in something with something more analytical. So let's try this out. Make an analytical spreadsheet maker with p5.js that includes a QI. So we're basically going to try and make Google Sheets with this. Alright, let's try this out. Display data, parse flow. So it's what it does is that it says that it's going to add input data. The input data is displayed to the canvas. Okay, add data. 10, 10, 30. Okay, well, this is really simple. Alright, let's try this. Um, give it what's that called again? Give it a line graph to go with it. All right, let's see. So it's going to become like a business line graph. So it's the same thing, but it added a graph. Let's check that out. It's going to be basically the same thing, but oh, it's blue. Where that is. All right, let's make that say 10, 30. Okay, 40. Oh, that's actually nice. 10. Oh, this is legitimately pretty cool. This looks like it's actually good for making stuff that's more analytical in nature. I don't think it makes games very well. So let's just do one more thing. Make AI. Make an AI chatbot with P5JS. Okay, let's see if we can make a chatbot with P5.js. It's gonna get too long, or it's gonna be too short and it's not gonna actually think about anything. This is a really basic chatbot right here. So, alright, let's pull this up real quick. Let's see how this works real quick. Alright, so it's gonna add to chat history. And then we have probably a glitch. So it's important to know here that sometimes you're gonna have to actually go into code and that AI makes and you're gonna have to fix it yourself, which usually isn't this is what makes it not really your best to make bigger things. So and that's the lesson I've learned the hard way. Alright, so now another thing I've heard is that AI chatbots are usually made using Python. Okay, so you can do how are you, hello, how are you, bye, and defaults, which is basically, I think it's supposed to not do anything. Alright, so let's go. You. Alright, let's type in. Alright, let's go with. Let's go something really simple. Let's just text. Let's just text it. Hello. Hey. Let's do hello again. Hello. Okay, so it's just. I think it's either randomizing or just gonna. do something else. Let's try something a little bit more complicated. A make call, okay, code Call of Duty in Babylon.js. So we're gonna have it code Call of Duty real quick. Oh, okay. Well, that's a problem right there. A glitch that it just some Call of Duty. Oh, well. The thing is that it does when it knows scope basically. So that like the main thing it knows that it basically knows when it's going too far. Okay. Here's what I've learned basically from this entire experiment. AI is very simple when it comes to coding stuff. It can't really make big, large scale projects. Not yet. It's not going to take over your jobs. The second thing I learned is that it's kind of impressive to a certain extent because it doesn't really like do certain experiment. So I hope you like this video, and this is like so. Just the one thing I want to say. This is probably like a part of a larger series on um like what AI can and can't do. As the moment, it's actually editing one of my videos for another like later video. So I hope you continue watching and subscribe so you can just stay up to date with all this new content. Thank you.